using the measurement tool in the ARC Mobile Facilities app. Within the viewer of the app, the users do have the ability to do linear or square footage measurements. The way this works is by touching the calipers from the menu option. You'll notice that the calipers is in white, signifying that we need to set the scale before we can do any type of measurement. When we touch the calipers, we will need to find an even measurement on the page. In this case, we do have a measurement of 8 feet. So if I touch at my starting point, I can drag down, find my ending point. In the upper right-hand corner, I have a bird's eye view. When I release my finger, this will allow me to set the measurement, in this case, 8 feet, 0 inches. And now when I go back to the calipers icon from the menu, I have the ability to do different measurements. From left to right, that would be a straight line or linear measurement, square footage in a square or rectangular shape, square footage in a circle or oval shape, freehand linear, and freehand square footage. A linear measurement, I can simply touch and drag. When I release my finger, that will give me my measurement point. If I need to modify that, I can touch, and it does give me the ability to change the length and or go into the settings to change that. If I want to measure a square footage in a square or rectangular shape, I choose that from the menu, and I simply touch and drag across the screen, and when I release, that will give me my measurement option. Again, if I need to modify, I can simply touch, and that will give me the ability to go in and either clear that out or change the settings. Square footage in a circular or oval shape. Again, very similar. Touch and drag. And if I need to resize it, again, simply touch, and that gives me the ability to resize the image. The pencil icon, which is for freehand linear, I can simply drag my finger across the page, and that will give me my total measurement in a linear fashion. Please note on the menu option to the right, there is a small padlock on the icon. To release that, I need to touch the pencil one more time, and that will now allow me to change the length or change the settings on that measurement. And lastly, to show the freehand square footage, if I use the double arrow icon, I can start anywhere on the page, simply drag my finger around, and as I drag my finger, this will give me an outline for the shape. I did that very quickly, but it demonstrates how you can do measurements in a oddly shaped area to get a square footage estimate. If I need to share that with someone, in the upper right-hand corner, I do have an option for send. I can send the document and either send the full PDF, the PDF with visible annotations, or if I just want a cut sheet view, I can use the current view and send that as a text message or email. And you'll notice in the inset that will show just the information that was showing in the viewer and then allow me to send that to whomever I might need to.